Yeah, did you know Bighorn sheep are basically the gladiators of the animal kingdom? Let's dive in. Look at these units. Those massive horns, they're not just for show. Bighorns use them to ram into each other at 20 miles per hour. That's like crashing a car, but they just walk it off. And the horns aren't just weapons, they're status symbols. The bigger the horns, the more respect they get. Bighorn sheep are pro rock climbers. They live on cliffs and mountains, casually hopping around like it's a flat sidewalk. Gravity? Never heard of it. These legends are also crazy good at finding water in the desert. They'll trek miles to get a drink, then remember every hidden spot for next time. Survival mode, activated. Oh, and their fights? They can last for hours. Two rams locking horns, smashing into each other over and over. It's like an action movie, but real life. So yeah, Bighorn sheep are tough, smart, and straight up fearless. Respect the horns. These animals are built different.